Thought we had forever in our hands, promises made like castles in the sand. But tide turned and washed it all away. Now I'm left with shadows where you used to stay. Every memory echoes in my mind, the laughter we share and now a distant kind. I was never the one that you wanted near, just a fleeting moment, now it's crystal clear. I'm searching for the light in this empty room, but every corner whispers of impending doom. I gave my heart, but it wasn't enough. Now I'm picking up the pieces of this broken